the livable community coupled with sustainable development is a common goal of community members. Because the community is a big house, the well-organized community that has an ongoing development activity. We would like to keep this house livable for this generation and the next generation. If the community is waiting for people from outside the community to solve problems, and the people in the community ignore the risk because of their sense of inferiority, there will be more conflicts of ideas and practice. The happiness of the community will disappear. To recognize the problems that threaten the people in the community is by creating a monitoring tool for sending a signal to people in the community to observe and work together in time. We consult on how farmers can reduce the use of chemicals. Members offer many ideas in the meeting, using the number of earthworms, fish, and frogs to indicate the chemical hazard. The frog is the best indicator because of its sensitive skin to chemicals. The number of frogs is decreasing in rice fields as farmers use a lot of chemicals. We cannot see the red eyes of frogs and cannot hear their voice at night. We noticed that the frog is an indicator of nature, and it was conserved by our community rule. The problem that leads to the life safety risk, which is effect may not occur immediately, but it will break the balance of the old way of life, such as existing natural resources, the loss of food sources, and the disease occurrence. If we do not accelerate to solve problem and to raise awareness, this problem will be difficult to solve. To raise awareness from members, they have to open mind to speak and point out the detrimental effects on life, such as how we can live if the living creatures in the nature are unable to live. To motivate people to think and find a solution together. The cost of growing rice is high because of the chemical use, but farmers do not believe in it. There is a project to study the farming system. The model farmers participated in this project for comparing between the use of chemicals and organic in cultivation. The results show that chemical agriculture can yield more than an organic one, and there are no insects in the field. The following year, organic agriculture can yield increasingly but still have insects. This shows that an organic farming takes time for adjusting and increasingly producing. Anyways, there still has insects and it is safe to eat. Being aware of the problem leads to the learning of people in the community, as they help each other to choose the suitable way according to the community adjustment, which emphasize on the concept of self-reliance, self-problem solving, sharing, and supporting. บ้านหม้อ community is a model community that emphasize the sufficiency economic philosophy. They raise awareness among people to prepare for the changing in drought situation and the COVID-19 outbreak by establishing seed bank, medical examination, and flock conservation. The challenging of community is to be aware of the problems and changes that affects the people's living. If the community members are involved in risk management, they will have an experience in self-development and learn preventing from now on. They also can deal with other situations in the future.